Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to automate AI-powered Facebook ad copy generation. So I'm an owner of an online fashion apparel store and I manage my store using Shopify. Here what I want is that as soon as I'm going to create a new product in my Shopify account, I want to create the ad copy of that product for my Facebook. Now doing this manually is very time consuming and hectic, so to solve this problem, I have created an AI agent using Pabbly Connect. Now as soon as a new product is going to be created in my Shopify account, automatically an AI agent related to the product is going to generate the ad copy for my Facebook. As soon as the ad copy is going to be generated, automatically the record of it is going to be created in my Google Sheets. The details are going to be added in my Google Sheets. So now if you want to learn how to create this amazing AI agent for yourself, for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to automate AI-powered Facebook ad copy generation. So as a manager of online retail store business, I use Shopify to manage and add new products to our store. I use an AI agent to automatically generate the engaging Facebook ad copy tailored to each product. I use Google Sheets in order to store and organize all the generated data in one place, easy to access and review. With the help of this AI agent, whenever a new product is going to be added in my Shopify account, the AI agent is going to generate the Facebook ad copy and then create the record of it in my Google Sheets, helping me save time and maintain consistent high-quality promotional content. And I'm going to create this amazing AI agent using Pabbly Connect. Firstly, I'm going to show you how this AI agent works in real time. So this is my Shopify store. In the store, I'm going to add a new product. For that, click on this Add Product button right over here. Now I'm going to give the name to the product, description, add the media, and give all the selected details right over here. Okay, so I'm going to create a new product. Firstly, I'm going to fill in the details. You can see right over I've added the details of the new product. Sunset gown, orange dress. Okay, you can see right over here. This is the description of this product. This is the image you can see right over here, and I've added the pricing, that is 2200. You can see right over here. This is the weight and all the other details. So as I've added all the required details, now I'm going to save and create this new product in my Shopify store. It says product created. If I'm going to go back to all the products page right over here, you can see a new product in the name of Sunset Gown Orange Dress has been created in my Shopify store. So as now a new product is created, now I'm going to open my Google Sheets, and over here I'm going to wait for a few seconds for this AI agent to work, and I'm going to check whether automatically an ad content has been added back in my spreadsheet for the product that I've created in my Shopify store or not. For that, over here I'm going to wait for a few seconds. And you can see within few seconds, the record has been successfully created in my spreadsheet for the new product. That is Sunset Glow Orange Dress. This was the product description you can see right over here. And this is the ad copy content. Ready to shine this summer. Introducing our Sunset Glow Orange Dress. This vibrant beauty is not just a dress. It's new wardrobe staple for all the sunny vibes. Made from the lightweight, breathable fabric, you'll feel as good as you look turning head at brunch or on your next beach getaway. Its flattering fit and playful design ensure you can stand out wherever you go. You can see the key features and a little more of the description of the dress has been created. That means the Facebook ad copy content has been created directly from my Shopify store. And we are going to create this amazing AI agent using Pabbly Connect. For that, on a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. After browsing the website, Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. On the landing page, you have two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I am the existing user, so I'm going to directly sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right here that says create workflow. Firstly, I'm going to give the name to the workflow. Automate AI powered Facebook ad copy generation. This is the name I want to give to my workflow. And for the folder on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders. If I'm going to click on the drop down, these are the folders from which I'm going to select AI agents. And then I'm going to simply click on this create button to create the workflow. A workflow has been created. Over here you can see after creating the workflow there are two windows. One is the trigger window, other is the action window. So what is trigger and action? Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two principles. Over here trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means what is action? Action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step first, in which for my trigger application, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to select it as Shopify. I'm going to select it as Shopify Legacy. I want that as soon as a new product is going to be created in my Shopify store, the trigger over here should capture the response of that. And the trigger event over here is going to be new product. Okay, as soon as a new product is going to be created, using the event, the response is going to be captured. Then you can see Pabbly Connect has provided us with a webhook URL, using which we are going to build the connection between Shopify and Pabbly Connect by following the steps given here below in the help desk. Copy this URL from here and log into your Shopify account that you want to connect. After opening from the left side, go towards the settings option below right over here. After coming to settings over here, what I'm going to do is, if I'm going to scroll down, you can see it says notifications. I'm going to select it from here. Then go to this webhook section right over here. Now we're going to create a webhook. For that, click on this create webhook button. Event over here is going to be product created. We want to capture the response of the product creation. So the event is going to be product creation. Format is going to be JSON URL. We have to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. And for the webhook API version, select the latest version and click on the save button. You can see the webhook URL has now been added in my Shopify store. Now to check whether Shopify is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, if I'm going to go back to my workflow and scroll down, it says waiting for webhook response. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new product in my Shopify account, and after that I'm going to check whether automatically the response of that has been captured in my trigger or not. Okay. For that I'm going to click on this add product button. I'm going to fill in all the product details right here. You can see I've added all the details. This is the name, that is Midnight Elegance Black Gown. This is the entire description you can see right over here. This is the image you can see right here. Price is 4,500 with all the other details. So as now I've added the data, I'm going to create this product. I'm going to create this product by clicking on this save button right here. As I've done that, it says product created. As now a new product has been created in my Shopify account, now I'm going to go back to my workflow and scroll down, and yes, you can see in front of you the response has been captured. So now let us tally the response right over here. The price is 4,500. You can see right here. If I'm going to further scroll down, the original compared to price is 13,000. The title of the product is Midnight Elegance Black Gown. If I'm going to further scroll down, tags I've added as fashion. Status is active right over here. If I'm going to further scroll down right over here, we have received the description in HTML format. You can see right over here. This was the description that we have added. Okay. So as now the response has been captured in my trigger, this means that Shopify is connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is done. After setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step. Now, as a new product data has been captured in my trigger using the details, I want an AI agent to generate the Facebook ad copy. For the AI agent, I'm using OpenAI. If you want to use any other AI platforms to generate your ad copy, then you can definitely do that according to your requirement. For the action event over here, I'm going to select it as OpenAI right over here. An action event is going to be ChatGPT, and then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on our new connection. Then it is asking for the token. To generate the token, go to this hyperlink given here below in the help desk right here. The API keys page of your OpenAI account is going to appear in front of you, on which click on this create button to generate a token. For the name of the key, I'm going to give it as demo. Project is going to be default. Permission is all. Then I'm going to generate the token from here. A token is generated, copied from here and pasted in this token field right here, and click on this save button. You can see OpenAI has now been connected. Firstly, for the AI model, I'm going going to use GPT-4o Mini. If you want to use any other AI models, you can definitely select it from the drop down. Next, it is asking for the prompt. Prompt is a text with the help of which an AI agent is going to generate the content according to our requirement. In the prompt, we need to specify all the things that we want in the generated content and do not want. So for the prompt over here, I'm going to write it as, so this is the prompt, that is, you are an AI copywriter for an online retail store. Your task is to create engaging Facebook ad copy whenever a new product is added. The copy should highlight the product key features, appeal the target audience, and include a clear call to action. Keep the tone friendly, energetic, and tailored to social media. Below are the product details. Now for the data of this field, what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the data, which is inserting data from the previous step. So I'm going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. How it works is that as soon as I'm going to click on this field, the previous step, that is Shopify Legacy New Product, is going to appear in front of you. And as I'm going to click on it, the response that is captured in our previous step is going to appear. It is asking for the product name right over here. So I'm going to search for the title of my product in this step right here. So I'm going to search for the title of my product in this step right here. And you can see this is the name of my product. And for this product, I want to generate the ad copy. So I'm going to select the data of the product name from my previous response. As now I've selected the data from my previous response, the data is mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. Similarly, for the product highlights, I'm going to map the data of the highlights that I've received. This is a description. I'm going to map the data right here. After adding the prompt and selecting the AI model, I'm going to click on this Save and Send Test Request button right here. And within few seconds, we have received the response in which we've received the message content, and this is the content generated by my AI agent. You can see right here it says, step into the spotlight of our midnight elegant black gown. Make a timeless statement at your next event with this stunning full-length gown that's all about elegance and sophistication. Crafted from smooth, high-quality fabric, the Midnight Elegance gown features a graceful neckline. You can see right over here, automatically the ad copy is now been generated by my AI agent. As the content is generated, I want to keep the record of it. I want to keep the record of the name of the product, the description, as well as the content generated. For that, I'm going to add an action step in this workflow, in which for my action application, I'm going to select it as Google Sheets. An action event is going to be add new row, and then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection, then click on this sign in with Google button right over here. Then it is asking for me to choose an account. In which account have we created the spreadsheet? So this is the account. I'm going to select it from here. Then it is asking for the permission of this account. For that, I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is perfectly safe with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this allow button right here. As I've done that, you can see I have successfully authorized Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect. Firstly, it is asking for me to select the spreadsheet, for which I'm going to select Shopify product ad copy sheet. Okay, so I'm going to select the spreadsheet from this drop down right here. Then it is asking for me to select the sheet. For the sheet, I'm going to select it as sheet 1. For the product name, I'm going to map the data of the title of the product that I've received right over here. This is the name. For the description, I'm going to map the data of the description that I've received right here. And for the ad copy, I'm going to map the data of the content generated, and simply click on this Save and Send Test Request button. I have received a response, which is a positive response. If I'm going to open my spreadsheet, yes, you can see the record has been successfully captured in my Google Sheets. Name is Midnight Elegance Black Gown. You can see right over here. This is the description, you can see right over here, of product that we have added in our Shopify store, and this was the same ad copy content. Okay, so as now the data has been added in my Google Sheets, this means that we have successfully created this AI agent using Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done: trigger is Shopify new product. A product is going to be created in my Shopify store. Trigger is going to capture the response of that. Action is OpenAI ChatGPT. Using the product details from the trigger, this AI agent is going to generate the Facebook ad copy content. As the content is generated, to create the systematic record, I have added in my Google Sheets using Google Sheets add new row. And in this manner, I have created this amazing AI agent that is to automate AI powered Facebook ad copy generation with Pabbly Connect. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.